Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was down at the 2019 Auto Crusade Car Show, and I came across a 1990 GMC Sierra I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it. This is another one out of my buddy's Glover's Garage. They're in Cumming, Georgia. They do a really nice job. And the thing is that, I mean, they mean to just fix cars. They don't mean to restore them and take them to this kind of level, but they do such a good job at it. People just keep bringing them to them and asking them to do them, and this is what you end up with. You know, not a lot of body or you know, fabrication done, custom stuff like that. That's not what that's not their style. If you just want clean street daily driver, these guys can hook you up with that. You can see that El Camino in the back. I've got a video of that. That's one that they built very clean up underneath, but again, you know, set up to drive. And the owner went and had him build this truck, and that's so nice. I don't know that he spends a lot of time driving it. He likes to spend more time looking at it, and I don't blame him. The truck has absolutely got to look. I know y'all like to see the wheels no tire size, so there you are. I'm a big fan of black chrome, so those wheels are right down my alley. I like that the interior is fresh, but you know, looks very stock. Nice, very nice. Steering wheel's been changed, the gauges have been changed. There's been some slight changes made to it, but nothing to take away that stock look of it. And I'm not a big fan of white, but white works on this truck. It just gives it a very clean look. It fits it. It works. I like all the black. It takes the black to set it off. I like the stripes. I like how they molded the rear bumper in, how they got all the good stuff up underneath, but there again, nothing that's going to get rubbed by going over a speed bump. You're going to be able to drive this when you drive it every day if you wanted to. I think I would if I had it. What about you? The bench seat. Nothing, like I say, just took what was there and makes it very clean and does a really good job of showing taste, I guess, when you're doing something stock like this. Because you can't just do it the way it was done. You have to do some changes, or what's the point, right? But they do them in a way that they don't lose any of the cool, and you still feel like you could get in and drive it every day. And then 502 up under the hood, right? How cool is that? And again, very clean, polished, everything's accessible, no fear of getting under the hood and trying to work on it if you need to, but yet not custom. Like brand new though, better than new. Oh, very nice. I like those valve covers. I like the whole truck. I just think it's got a really good look. It's got a sport truck, street truck look to it without being too aggressive. Like, I wouldn't go to Lowe's in it, but I would go to Kroger's in it. So there you go, from the 2019 Auto Crusade Car Show, a 1990 GMC Sierra Street Truck. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.